Hi everyone, welcome to Dr. Jayarama Reddy Online Private University. Please note that this initiative is not recognized by government bodies such as UGC or AICTE. Languages or media for communication. There are basically three types: spoken languages, sign languages, and code languages. There are more than 2000 spoken languages in the world. About 1500 of them are there in India alone. And there are many sign languages, and we know about two code languages. One is the genetic code, which is used by the living system, which is a natural language. The other one is binary code or binary system, which is used in computers. And to have a proper knowledge about bioinformatics, one has to have the basic idea about the genetic code and also the binary code system. In this video, I'll give a quick comparison between genetic code and binary code system. To understand the basics of bioinformatics, knowledge about the fundamental principles about how information is stored in living and computer systems is necessary. In living systems, the information is stored in the form of nucleic acids, that is RNA or DNA. Each and every cell of an organism contains genetic material in the form of chromosomes, and the genetic material is constructed in the form of genes, and genes are made of DNA. DNA stores the information in the form of genetic code, that is in the form of nucleotides, which are A, T, G, C. Even though the structure of DNA was understood much earlier, the genetic code was deciphered much later. It was done by Holly, Nirenberg and Khorana. Genetic code is the most ancient, most efficient yet simple language of biomolecules. Genetic code is universal. It is same in all living organisms, from virus to man. It is commaless and continuous. There are about 64 words in the form of codons, and they are built using 4 letters, that is ATGC or UCAG. There are only 4 letters in genetic code, that is UCAG in RNA. These 4 letters are used to construct 64 codons, and these 64 codons in turn code for amino acids. And these amino acids are arranged randomly to make the proteins. Usually AUG is the initiation codon, which also codes for methionine. It is there in the beginning of each and every gene. Similarly, UAA, UAG, UGA are the termination codons, which end the process of transcription. Genetic code is a molecular language. It's a natural language. On the other hand, we have a language that is used by computers called binary code system or binary language. A double helix model structure of DNA, which forms the chemical basis of life. DNA stores all the information about life. It stores in the form of genes. The information on genes is in the form of codons. DNA is a double helix with anti-parallel strands. Each strand of DNA is made up of nucleotides. There are 4 types of nucleotides. Each nucleotide is different because of the nitrogenous space. There are 4 nitrogenous spaces: adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine in DNA, adenine, uracil, cytosine, guanine in RNA. And these are arranged randomly to make the codons. A set of 3 nucleotides is one codon, hence the genetic code is said to be triplet. And the genetic code is made up of 64 different codons, and they code for 21 different amino acids. The amino acids arranged randomly to form the proteins. So this is the genetic code dictionary. AUG is the initiation codon usually, and UAA, UGA and UAG are the termination codons. And this is the sequence of RNA. And you can see a sample of RNA sequence here, beginning with AUG as the initiation codon, UAA as the termination codon. AUG is the initiation codon, and the codons which are followed by AUG, a set of 3, are the subsequent codons. You can see these are all the codons. Set of 3 nucleotides is 1 codon. So these codons are run without any gap because genetic code is commaless, and the last codon is the termination codon. This is how the information in the living system is stored, by using the genetic code, and this is the basis of life, and this is what is known as the genetic basis of life. Information in computer is stored in binary system, which is stored digitally, and it was developed by John Attensaff. And the binary coding system is made up of binary digits, which are nothing but bits 0 and 1. And this is what is stored in computers in binary system, and it is based on on and off condition of microtransistors. 1 represents on condition, and 0 represents the off condition of the microtransistor. So this is the fundamental principle behind the binary system, which is used to code in computers, and this is converted into the binary language, and it is stored in computers, and the data stored may be protein structure, sequences, anything. So a microtransistor can be on or off. So if it is on, it represents 1. If it is off, it represents 0. And it's called binary system, and this system is used to generate 255 different variables. 255 variables can be created, and these are used as characters and symbols, and with the help of this, the digital data is written and is stored. So each one is a bit, and a group of 8 is called a byte, and this is converted into 255 different variables, and this is used in computers to write the binary code. The fundamental principle behind bioinformatics is the genetic basis of life. Genetic basis of life is universal and unique. We have the same genetic code for all living organisms on the earth, and the genetic information and all other biological information that is available is basically and fundamentally or initially converted into computer readable format, and this data or information is databased, and this data is further used for the welfare of mankind. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. Thank you very much. Educators and experts who have valuable video content are warmly invited to collaborate and offer their courses here. Please share your thoughts in the comment box. Please go to description box for more details. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.